Oh, did he?
Oh, no, he's still there. He's still there.
He's still there a little bit. He picked up a secondary line. Oh!
We kept backing it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got
Push the
2
button.
They actually caught him on the green line. Good morning. We're at Pyramid Lake, June 18th. Oh, got out in the lake probably 6:30. Pretty wavy out here. Beat us up getting out, so we decided not to go across the lake until it calms down. The wind battened down right about 6 o'clock. The waves will continue for a little bit longer. We're on shot dog side. We hit 3 already. Got 1 to the boat. We're using over here our silver shad and our green on 2 sides of the boat. They hit the shad twice. It's hit the green 1 time, so almost even there. We're seeing a lot of fish from about 25 to about 55 feet, so they're a little bit deeper than last time. And we picked them up at 40, I think, and 35 and 45 and 55. So long line drop 200 and 150 feet. See if we can pick something up there. They haven't been producing very well lately. I don't know why. Maybe the fish are a lot deeper. Running a 2 ounce banana weight on those. Gonna be about 60 degrees, 62 degrees today. The sun's being on. It's getting warm really quick, and we're looking forward to catching more fish. So we're gonna run all the way up to Warriors and back and forth until this wind gets down, and we're gonna head on over if we can over to Hell's Kitchen. Get back to it. Stay right here. Okay. 32 feet shot dog air going north. Here comes that pelican.
Keep coming
straight.
Go back, pull back this way, because the fish starts coming.
There it is. Hey! All right.
40 feet on the downrigger.
Same downrigger, 40 feet on the killer line.
Come underneath.
I don't see the lines. I don't know where we are.
Go straight.
Right, I'm coming over to the right.
Yep. You want to get over here?
No,
Right. There you go. Let me hit them next. Stop.
Okay, we're in.
We're in.
yeah, we're in. It's a big one.
Got a girl got that big one.
Unless you caught him on the side of here.
Automatic.
I know, right? Seems foul hooked, because no, you're not tapping me out. Oh, no, Sonny.
He was just far. He's not that big.
He's heavy. He's a heavy
Oh,
one,
he's
though.
a fat one.
We came over to Hell's. We're right along the wall. It's super calm over here. The mountain's blocking the wind. 51 feet in the downrigger. We've had the downriggers out for maybe 4 minutes. Boom, hit right up on the green side.
Speed was 2.7. It's a little after 10:30.
Aww.
350 feet.
It was 350 plus though.
Wow, that's a long ways out there. I kind of see
Hey,
it. I
bait.
see it.
Oh, you got Bernie's bait fish.
Going to bait club with Richard today.
Oh,
Goodness.
I think your bait's a lot smaller.
Oh no. It's always bigger. It's always bigger.
Oh no.
Oh,
Actually, it's bigger than Richard's bait.
I don't think so.
That's a jumbo bait,
I don't think so.
51.
What color? Oh, 51. What color?
Still on there, Scott?
Color live.
All right.
Mind your way.
Oh, you're good. It's back up behind me there. Go that way.
Rick, there you go. Yeah.
Okay.
Under a line.
We're under a line and you have a fish.
That's a fishing line.
It's a fish, yeah.
That's a fishing line.
It's a fishing
Fishing
line.
line.
2 lures.
That's what
Walk
we
back.
do.
Don't bring that into the hole. Walk backwards.
But out the line.
Keep it right.
The Carroll way of fishing by hand.
Hold up for a minute. Yeah.
We've done a lot this.
It's like when he grabbed the one, he went around the other one. Grabbed it
Yeah.
small enough. Got the net on him.
Oh my goodness, you
Small
pulled a
enough.
Carroll. Look at that.
He couldn't get himself off.
It's like
He's
Hansel
foul.
Christmas
Yeah,
tree.
back to make it look better.
It's pretty bad.
Goodness.
Hey, when your guys are done, I have a fish on.
You do too? Yeah.
Hey, what about that
Might
rule?
be dead.
15
Look at him. What's good?
Is it?
Long line, fox bait, 362 feet back, 2 ounce sinker.
Yeah, it's still there.
It's smooth as butter.
Hey,
Look at this rain coming at
tap him out.
look little out there, but they're not.
Come back towards downrigger. Come back towards me.
Slow down.
Keep coming, okay?
Yeah.
There you go. That's a nice hit. You all right?
He's in. Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah.
Woo! Do you bring that one
That
in?
was 36 feet in the downrigger. I just popped out the downrigger. Boom, he hit it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Just at the right place.
Even worth it.
Margaret says it's too small to film.
That's not bad. That's small.
It's 3:30.
No,
That's you.
3:30.
Speed was 3.1.
24 feet on the downrigger. You're fine, Carol. Oh, there he goes. Got really rainy out here and choppy again. We went across to Health. We had time to get over there. Died down enough. We got over there nicely. It was really calm. The rain clouds came from the west. Went and got up. Fish got kind of freaky. They weren't really interested in biting too much more. So we ended up with 34 for the day, 140
32.
or something for the trip. We fished 4 days out of the 8 days we were here. This is the stuff that worked great pretty much every day, either killer lime or a shad here. Lemon lime a little bit, but this is what it was day after day. Same thing, rotated back through it. It worked over and over and over. We're catching fish from about 24 to about 45 today. Long lengths 350 feet back. I don't know why. 2 ounce banana weight. We're not going to be coming back until October. This is the end of the season for us, so we're going to get everything ready to come back out then. We'll start fishing Shaver Lake and others until then. All right, you have any questions about tackle, what's going on, give me a call. Also, our tackle is now available at the Pyramid Lake store here at the Pyramid Lake Marina, right next to where you get your license. We put our tackle in the store there for you, so you can come by and pick it up anytime you want or need tackle when you're at this lake. Until next time, we'll see you on the water. What's today's date?
Today's the 18th.